What? Do you have a headache or something?
Hush!
Oh. Finally!
Let's go.
Sure, why not? You know, I love trains. Ever since I was a little org, I wanted to be a train conductor. Choo-choo!
Quiet!
Sorry. Why are we here again?
I can sense org energy in this place. And my horn never lies.
Maybe this time it's just a little confused.
What?
Sorry. Just kidding. Whoa! What was that?
I told you there was something here. Hurry, this way. Rednecks? Is it really you?
Oh, yes, it's me.
Hey, you were Master Org's personal bodyguard.
Yes.
Where have you been all these years?
Well, you see, I swore to protect the Master. When he was defeated, I roamed the earth in shame. But I've heard he's returned. Is it true? Tell me!
That's right. He's back.
That's great.
Come with us. We'll bring you to him.
No, now is not the time. First, I must prove myself by defeating Master Org's arch nemesis in battle.
Anyone come to mind?
We know just who that is.
Walk this way. What are you smiling about?
Redneck's new Master Org from the old days. He'll know for sure if there's something different about him.
I sense something different about this org. It seems more powerful than the others. Please be careful.
We will. Let's go, guys.
Ha! Run away, you pathetic creatures!
Where'd you go? Get up! Stop right there! Who are you, and what do you want with us?
I am Retinax. I was leader of Master Org's guard and his personal bodyguard. Once I defeat you, I can return to his service.
Oh yeah? I don't care who you used to be. The Power Rangers will not be defeated!
Simple Ranger, you haven't a clue.
You're the one without a clue!
It feels wonderful to do battle again. After destroying you Rangers, I'll have earned my rightful place back in the Nexus.
The Nexus?
He's stronger than any org we've ever encountered.
It's time to combine our powers! Jungle Sword! Savage Slash!
Impressive work, Redneck.
What is that thing?
He's Freezer Org. Today's Org spirits inhabit modern things. Watch his power.
He's freezing things! Watch out! Hold on, guys. We can do it!
Destroy them!
Come on, Grandma!
It's time you learn to respect me.
Now what'd you go and do that for?
That was for calling me Grandma.
Has anyone ever told you that yellow was the color of fear? As in yellow-bellied Power Ranger?
At least I don't look like a clown. Sorry, Ego!
Cole, you okay? Yeah. It's too cold!
Ooh, yeah, I'm good. 3 Rangers flash frozen like mixed vegetables.
Got him! Let's go, Daddy!
You got it!
That's by turning up the heat! Flying Blaster Gatling mode!
Oh no!
Cannon mode! Fire!
Overheating! Freezer orb!
Must down.
Do your magic, Toxica!
Evil spirits of toil and strife, give this fallen org new life! Yeah!
We need the Wild Swords! Wild Sword, descend!
All right, Gorilla Zord! That was great!
Guys! Get this off of me! Hurry!
What are you trying to tell me?
I'm through monkeying around. Come on.
Wild Zords, combine!
Whatever. Like that's supposed to frighten me. I got something else in mind. Chill out. Got you right where I want you.
Freezer orb, use your icy grip.
What's he doing? He's freezing the entire Zord!
He's freezing himself in order to freeze the Megazord. Your sacrifice will not be forgotten.
Huh? Oh no! He's frozen the Kongazord solid!
You'd better give up, Rangers. Without your precious Kongazord, you haven't a chance.
We still have our crystals! Huh?
I don't believe it. They're all frozen.
It's not possible. Gorilla! Gorilla!
What is it?
I can't hear his voice anymore.
Hello, Rangers! Glad to see you could drop in.
Ready?
Ready!
My crystals. No! Those aren't yours!
What does that make you, Goldilocks? Good. Look at them. They're so helpless, it's almost unfair.
Huh. Since when did we care about being fair?
Good point.
If I had known it would be this easy to win back my honor, I would have returned much sooner. Goodbye, Rangers.
Come on, get up.
It's the soul bird egg that's making the sound.
It defrosted our grow phones.
Ready! Ready! Wild access!
Get them!
Soaring Eagle! Golden Eagle Sword!
Blue Shark fighting fins! Iron Bison!
Go, Tiger! Let go of me!
My axe! I'm tired of you, Ranger. This fight is over.
You're right! Mine Blaster! Cannon mode!
I'll get you.
And fire! All right! I knew we could beat him if we just put our hearts into it. Yeah!
It's huge!
Now all of you will face the wrath of Retina.
What you doing?
Quick, guys! We've got to get to the Kongazord! Come on!
Kongazord! Power up!
We can beat him this time, guys! Kongazord, double knuckle!
You may have your Kongazord back, but you're still no match for me.
We'll see about that! We can't give up! The fate of the Earth lies in our hands!
Something's attacking Retinax!
What is it?
Is that the Soul Bird?
Yes, it is. It's finally hatched. Go ahead, climb aboard.
You got it! Yeah! All right, Conquerzord. Prepare for Soul Drive merge. Just what we needed. The Soulbird's given a whole new level of power to the Conquerzord.
Now the Soulbird's our cockpit. Whoa, I wonder what it can do.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's find out!
Yeah! Crystal Sabers!
We're stronger than ever! We don't want to destroy you! Give up, Rednecks!
I'll never give up. I'm too close to redeeming myself with Master Org. Bring it on!
Don't say we didn't warn you!
Your warnings mean nothing. I'll defeat you or be destroyed trying.
If that's the way you want it.
Then I guess you're gonna get it.
Soulbird, what is it? Wait a minute. The Red Lion is calling me. He says the Soulbird needs to merge with them so he can be healed.
That means we have to form the Wild Force Megazord.
What are we waiting for? Let's call the Zords!
Good idea.
Right. Hang in there, Red Lion. The cure is on its way.
Wild Force, descend!
Soulbird, detach! Soul Drive, merge! Wild Force Megazord, power up!
Ooh, I'm so scared.
Well, you should be. Activate Soul Cannon.
Ready!
Now! Mega Roar!
I'm very proud of you all. Today, you fought valiantly, even when it seemed all hope was lost.
We were lucky the Soulbird hatched when it did.
That was no accident, Taylor. The Soulbird sensed your real effort and courage.
I'm just glad you're cured, my friend.
Wait, who are you?
Next time on Power Rangers Wild Force.
Finally, a full moon.
Something's wrong. There's a powerful force in the mountains. The evil is starting to emerge.
You've been released to destroy enemies of Orgs.
What is it?
A wolf beast.
I am the Duke Org, Zanaku. I have been awakened to carry out 3,000 years of vengeance.
Next time on Power Rangers Wild Force.